Warm greetings from TNV Academy. Today in this session, we are going to discuss about decision support system. Before we move ahead, let me tell you about the key learnings of this session. At the end of this session, you will be able to understand what is decision support system, components of DSS, what is Intelligent DSS, types of DSS, examples of DSS, advantages of DSS, and the last one is disadvantages of DSS. So let's start our discussion and talk about what is decision support system. A decision support system DSS is an information system that aids a business in decision making activities that require judgment, determination, and a sequence of actions. The information system assists the mid and high-level management of an organization by analyzing huge volumes of unstructured data and accumulating information that can help to solve problems and help in decision making. A DSS is either human-powered, automated, or a combination of both. A DSS shifts through and analyzes massive amounts of data, compiling comprehensive information that can be used to solve problems and in decision making. Typical information used by a DSS includes target or project revenue, sales figures of past ones from different time periods, and other inventory or operations related data. A decision support system differs from an ordinary operations application whose functions is just to collect data. Decision support system allow for more informed decision making, timely problem solving, and improved efficiency in dealing with issues or operations, plannings, and even management. In an organization, a DSS is used by the planning departments such as the operations department, which collects data and creates a report that can be used by managers for decision making manually. In an organization, a DSS is used by the planning departments such as the operations department, which collects data and creates a report that can be used by managers for decision making. Mainly, a DSS is used in sales projection, for inventory and operations related data, and to present information to customers in an easy to understand manner. Theoretically, a DSS can be employed in various knowledge domains from an organization to forest management and the medical field. One of the main applications of DSS in an organization in real-time reporting. It can be very helpful for organizations that can take a part in just-in-time JIT inventory management. A decision support system is an informational application as opposed to an operational application. Informational applications provide users with relevant information based on a variety of data sources to support better informed decision making. Operational applications, by contrast, record the details of business transactions, including the data required for the decision support needs of a business. We will now move forward and discuss about the various components of DSS. A typical DSS consists of three different parts: knowledge database, software and user interface. Knowledge database. A knowledge base is an integral part of a decision support system database containing information from both internal and external sources. It is a library of information related to particular subjects and is the part of a DSS that stores information used by the system's reasoning engine to determine a course of action. Software system. The software system is composed of model management systems. A model is a simulation of a real-world system with the goal of understanding how the system works and how it can be improved. Organizations use models to predict how outcomes will change with different adjustments to the system. User interface. The user interface enables easy system navigation. The primary goal of the decision support systems use interface is to make it easy for the user to manipulate the data that is stored on it. Businesses can use the interface to evaluate the effectiveness of DSS transactions for the end users. DSS interfaces include simple windows, complex menu-driven interfaces, and command line interfaces. Let us now discuss what is an intelligent DSS. Users can also bake artificial intelligence into decision support systems. Called Intelligent Decision Support System (IDSS), the AI mines and processes large amounts of data to get insights and make recommendations for better decision making. It does this by analyzing multiple sources of data and identifying patterns, trends, and associations to emulate human decision-making capabilities. Designed to act similar to a human consultant, an IDSS gathers and analyzes data to support decision makers by identifying and troubleshooting issues and providing and evaluating possible solutions. The AI component of the DSS emulates human capabilities as closely as possible, which more efficiently processing and analyzing information as a computer system. The IDSS may include advanced capabilities such as a knowledge-based machine learning, data mining, and a user interface. Examples of IDSS implementations include flexible or smart manufacturing systems, intelligent marketing decision support system, and medical diagnostic systems. Let us now discuss the various types of DSS. Decision support system can be broken down into categories, each based on their primary sources of information. Data-driven DSS. A data-driven DSS is a computer program that makes decisions based on data from internal databases or external databases. Typically, a data-driven DSS uses data mining techniques to discern trends and patterns, enabling it to predict future events. Businesses often use data-driven DSS to help make decisions about inventory, sales, and other business processes. Some are used to help make decisions in the public sector, such as predicting the likelihood of future criminal behavior. Model-driven DSS. Built on an underlying decision model, model-driven decision support systems are customized according to a predefined set of user requirements to help analyze different scenarios that meet these requirements. For example, a model-driven DSS may assist with scheduling or developing financial statements. Communication-driven and group DSS. A communication-driven and group decision support system uses a variety of communication tools such as email, instant messaging, or voice chat to allow more than one person to work on the same task. The goal behind this type of DSS is to increase collaboration between the users and the system and to improve the overall efficiency and effectiveness of the system. Knowledge-driven DSS. In this type of decision support system, the data that derives the system resides in a knowledge database is continuously updated and maintained by a knowledge management system. A knowledge-driven DSS provides information to users that consistent with a company's business processes and knowledge. Document-driven DSS. A document-driven DSS is a type of information management system that uses documents to retrieve data. Document-driven DSS enable users to search web pages or databases or find specific search terms. Examples of documents accessed by a document-driven DSS include policies and procedures, meeting minutes, and corporate records. We will now discuss few examples of DSS. Organizations use decision support system in several different contexts, including the following. GPS routing. GPS routing plan is an example of a typical DSS. It compares different routes, taking into account factors such as distance, driving time, and cost. The GPS navigation system also enables users to choose alternative routes, displaying them on a map and providing step-by-step instructions. ERP dashboards. ERP enterprise resources planning dashboards can use a decision support system to visualize changes in production and business's processes, monitor current business performance against set goals, and identify areas for improvement. ERP dashboards let business owners see a snapshot of their company's most important numbers and metrics. Clinical Decision Support System. A Clinical Decision Support System (CDSS) is a software program that uses advanced decision-making algorithms to help physicians make the best medical decisions. Healthcare professionals often use these to interpret patient records and test results, and to calculate the best treatment plan. CDSS in healthcare can help providers identify abnormalities during specific tests, as well as monitor patients after certain procedures to determine if they are having any adverse reactions. Let us now understand few advantages of DSS. A DSS has following advantages. A decision support system increases the speed and efficiency of decision-making activities. It is possible as a DSS can collect and analyze real-time data. It promotes training within the organization as specific skills must be developed to implement and run a DSS within an organization. It automates monotonous managerial processes, which means more of the manager's time can be spent on decision making. And the last one is, it improves interpersonal communication with the organization. And finally, let us discuss and understand few disadvantages of DSS. The disadvantages of DSS are: the cost to develop and implement a DSS is a huge capital investment, which makes it less accessible to smaller organizations. A company can develop a dependence on a DSS as it is integrated into daily decision-making process to improve efficiency and speed. However, managers tend to rely on the system too much, which takes away the subjectivity aspect of decision-making. A DSS may lead to information overload because an information system tends to consider all aspects of a problem. It creates a dilemma for end users as they are left with multiple choices. Implementation of DSS can cause fear and backlash from lower level employees. Many of them are not comfortable with new technology and are afraid of losing their jobs and technology. So, we have now come to the conclusion of this session. If you have any questions on what we discussed today, then please put them in the comment section of the video and we will be really happy answering them. See you soon. Till then, best wishes from TNV Academy. Thank you.